Every great story, every great business, it all starts with one small step. But what if that step wasn't about finding $1 million? What if it was about finding one single skill you already have? Today, we're going to break down a business model that can turn what you know into a real growing company. Let's dive into how your skill can be the only asset you need to get started.
This right here, this is the question that stops so many amazing ideas before they even get a chance. It's this feeling that without a ton of cash in the bank, the door to building your own thing is just locked shut. But is that actually true anymore?
You know the classic picture of a business, right? You need a storefront, you need to pay rent, you need to buy a bunch of stuff to sell. It's this huge mountain of risk before you've even made your first dollar. And honestly, for most people, that's where the dream just ends.
But what if we just flip that whole idea on its head? What if there was no shop, no inventory, no scary bank loan, just you, a laptop, and a skill you can offer? This isn't some fantasy. It's a huge shift in how businesses are being built today. And that brings us to our first really big idea. In this new world, your most valuable asset isn't money. It's your skill. Let's talk about why that one little shift changes absolutely everything. So here's the secret that most people miss. Businesses out there aren't just looking for full-time employees. They are desperately looking for people to solve specific problems. They need help with their social media, with building a simple website, with editing their videos, and they are more than happy to pay someone with those skills. That is your way in. Okay, so the idea sounds good, but now comes the question that freezes so many people right in their tracks. What skill do I even have to offer? Honestly, this is where most beginners fail, right here at the very first step. Does this sound familiar? That little voice in your head that says, "You're not good enough," or "There's too much competition," or "Who would ever pay me?" It is the #1 reason people just give up before they even start.
But listen, this is the mindset shift that unlocks the entire game. You don't need to be the best in the world, not even close. You just need to be a couple of steps ahead of the business owner who has no idea how to do it. That's it. You are their expert.
And we're not talking about some abstract, complicated stuff. Think about creating content for social media, building a simple website, editing short videos. These are real, tangible things businesses are paying for every single day. Most people don't realize this, but the trick is to just pick one. Don't try to be a jack of all trades, just pick one and get really good at it.
So you've picked your skill, awesome. Now comes the part that separates the dreamers from the doers, actually getting someone to pay you for it. This is where your business becomes real.
And this right here, this changes everything. Stop waiting until you feel perfect. I promise you, you will learn and get better so much faster doing real work for a real client than you ever will by just taking another online course. The real learning happens when you're in the game. So what's the actual game plan? Well, it's simpler than you think. First, you gotta show people what you can do, so build a small portfolio, even if it's just with sample projects. Second, you have to go where the clients are actually hanging out, like on platforms like Upwork or LinkedIn. Third, don't just ask for a job, find a problem they have and offer a solution. And finally, that first client, it's not about the money, it's about the momentum. It's proof that you can actually do this.
Okay, getting that first client feels amazing, but bouncing from one project to the next, that can get stressful fast. But here's the smarter way to do it. This next part is what really separates the struggling freelancers from the people building a real business.
Just look at this comparison. Over on the left, you have that feast or famine cycle. You work, you get paid, and then you're unemployed again, hunting for the next gig. It's a total roller coaster. But on the right, you have retainers. That means predictable, recurring income every single month. It changes you from a one-time hired gun into a long-term partner. And look, this doesn't have to be some huge, crazy number to make a difference. Check out this simple math. If you find just 5 clients, 5, who pay you a modest $200 a month for ongoing work, that's a stable $1,000 a month foundation. That kind of stability is what lets you breathe and plan and actually grow. So once you have that stable base of clients and income, it's time for the final evolution. This is how you stop just trading your time for money. This is how you build something bigger than yourself. Let's be real for a second. The hard truth about freelancing is that you'll always have a ceiling on your income because you only have so many hours in a day. You can't create more time. So to break through that ceiling, your role has to change.
But the path forward isn't some giant leap. It's actually a series of small, logical steps.
You start out doing everything yourself, right? Then, once you're busy, you start outsourcing little tasks to other freelancers. And slowly, over time, you build a team, and your job shifts from doing the work to managing the business.
So we've gone on this whole journey, from having a single skill to running an actual agency. Let's just zoom out for a minute and recap exactly why this is one of the smartest ways to start a business right now.
When you put it all together, it just makes sense. The risk is super low because you're selling a service, not a product. The flexibility is incredible. You can work from anywhere. It's designed to scale naturally, step by step, and since you have almost no overhead costs, your profit margins can be amazing. You're not just earning an income, you're building an asset that grows more valuable over time.
And really, that's what it all comes down to. This journey doesn't begin with a big bank account. It begins with a simple decision. A decision to just start.
Now, of course, we've got to be real here. This is an educational concept. Any success you might have is going to come from your skill, your effort, and how consistent you are. Nothing is ever guaranteed.
We've laid out the entire roadmap, from a single skill all the way to a scalable business. The path is clear. So the only question left is, what's your first step going to be?